Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can access or how you can change the settings for your chat window for your website chatbot. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin platform, and once you are logged in, you simply have to choose the WhatsApp bot where you want to configure this chat window. And once you go to WhatsApp chatbot settings, you will find this option of chat window. Over here you will find few options to configure, so let's discuss each of them one by one. So over here you have the indicative text for bot message that you can write. What should be the, like, you can fill out the message like what should be the message show, like there is an example, what would you like to show below the last bot message, like bot. All right, and next we have the option of allow user to request for live chat. You want to allow the users or not allow, you can turn on the toggle for the same. You can also write the display name for your live agent like WhatsApp agent, and you can also set an expiry time for the live chat from here. And next we have the option of a live chat message secondary color, so you can choose that color from here. Live chat, like live chat okay. So over here there is an option that live chat to be transferred back to a bot option that you can also configure here. And there are some configurations like live chat message primary color, live chat message unavailable, like if the live chat is not available, so what color should you get, that you can set from here. Next we have an option to enable the option to restart the chat, that you can also configure from here. Next we have restart menu, like what should be the word, you can type any word here, right, to restart the chat. Enable transfer to WhatsApp option, so you can also write the text for the same transfer. Next we have an option enable rate the chat screen. Okay, you can set all the ratings things over here. Next we have enable custom chat reply placeholder, chat reply, like you can type your message here. Next we have the option of enable ticketing management, so you can also integrate HubSpot for the same, for enabling the ticketing management. Enable knowledge base, you can also enable the knowledge base in your chat window. Clear chat on reload, if you enable this, so whenever the user will reload, the chat will be cleared. Next we have the option of clear chat on restart, so if when the customer will request for the restart option, the chat will be cleared. Next we have the real-time response streaming, so you can also enable these settings from here. So these are some configurations for the chat window section for the website chatbot that you can configure from here and save your responses as per your need. In case if you have any doubt for any of these settings, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for choosing this or watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.